If you're working in healthcare and quietly thinking, there has to be something better than this, you're not alone. I was a hospital pharmacist, burnt out from nights, weekend shifts, doing meaningful work, but with no control over my life. Then I moved into pharma. I've spent the last 10 years working in medical, sales, and marketing, winning industry awards, helping clinicians like myself or career switchers find roles in pharma that they actually enjoy without selling their soul and becoming that sales rep.
So the winner of the Best in Field Customer Solution for Individual 2025, David Tom. Yeah!
Finding Pharma is where I break down how the pharmaceutical industry actually works, how to get in, how to stand out from the crowd, and how to succeed, especially in pharmaceutical sales, because that is where people get it all wrong. If you want a career where your clinical knowledge actually matters, where you earn more, you still have work-life balance, and you still maintain your credibility, this channel is for you. And sure, I'm going to keep it practical, honest, and probably make some terrible dad jokes along the way, but that's because I believe it's so important to have fun at whatever you do. So hit that subscribe button if you want career clarity and a real edge in pharma. And let's get you on your way to finding pharma.